So we're trying to fit 5 people in a photo booth right now. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning right now. Just woke up. It's probably the first time in like 2 weeks that I've slept in past like 7 o'clock. Usually during the week I wake up like at 4:05, and then on the weekends I've been getting up at 6 just to get stuff done. Waking. So today I haven't hit a bodybuilding day in about 5 weeks. So I actually get to do that today. I have an off day from my strength training program. So some people would take that like as an active recovery day, but I'm going to take that as a bodybuilding day just because I miss it so much. So that's what I'm going to go to the gym and do right now. I wanted to talk to you about like planning out your day. A lot of people like me, I get very overwhelmed when I get a lot of things at once, when I need to get a lot of stuff done at once. But getting up early in the mornings helps. Planning your day when you get up in the morning and knowing what you have to get done before the day is over always helps. So it's not as overwhelming. You know what you need to get done and you do it one thing at a time. So yeah, so let's go to the gym and we'll see what we get into. Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? I can feel it in the
Something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state. You call it a clean break. Do you feel the vibes, baby? Do you feel the vibes?
Yeah, I'm doing a meet. I'm just waiting to do the meet. Pancakes.
Alright guys, what's up? Just got back from the gym doing the bodybuilding day. I've been working on like editing and like ways of editing. So I was messing with like special effects on my camera today. So I did like selective color and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed like that edit that I'm gonna put together with that. I think that should turn out pretty cool. Just finished eating at IHOP. I got a turkey avocado beni, and yeah, it was it's 1 o'clock right now. So it was about 800 calories. 50 fat, about 45 protein, and then like 60 carbs. And that's the first thing I had today. Today, I'm gonna go home right now, do some editing and some studying, and then we're going out tonight to get sushi. So I'm going to save my macros for that, so I'm not gonna eat anything until we go back out for that. And that's in about, that'll be 4 hours we're gonna leave for there. So I think I should be good for that. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. So we're about to head out to Tucson to get some sushi tonight. I saved like most of my macros, so I'm gonna have a little fun with that. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I'm rocking the pink shirt. I think it's a pink J Crew, just crew neck. And then I just got regular jeans and boots for the winter. So let's go.
Like that painting up there. Alright, so we made it to Tucson here with Kyle to meet some friends at the sushi bar. So that's gonna be good. Like I said, I saved macros for the sushi bar. So this should be good. Am I supposed to be looking that way?
I'm like,
He's ready for
We just got some Wagyu apparently. So why don't you explain to the people what Wagyu is?
Okay. So Wagyu is basically a cow that is raised in Japan that is massaged from birth and given a delicious diet which includes sake. Here it is, marbleized and it's magic goodness.
That looks awesome. Easily,
Alright, there you go, guys.
Satellite system.
Very rare Wagyu.
Yeah, nice. Pretty much remote.
I'm gonna do the marshmallow man.
Which one?
Marshmallow man.
Mushroom man?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow man? What do you think?
I'm gonna get one of those.
Vanilla?
Thank you. Do you have I do.
Good start filming.
Hey, a beer in there real quick?
It's a good camera. Yeah. That's a lot of sugar.
It is. You'll understand what happened.
Oh, it's not done yet.
Yeah, it's not done.
Oh my gosh.
You will not be disappointed. It is quite tasty.
Alright, rule number 1, if it's on fire, it's hot. 2, not touch. No flash, you get better pictures.
You can take it. Oh shit. Look at that. Oh! Inflamaria! Oh my Inflamaria!
There you go. You're fucking that up, dude. That's
Three. Let it take the three.
So we're trying to fit 5 people in a photo booth right now. It's not working out very well.
It makes the same.
Alright guys, so the last clip we left off, we were downtown Tucson, just having some fun, and now we're hiking. What is this? Coronado National Cave.
Memorial.
Coronado National Memorial. So we're out here getting tans and hiking. So it should be fun. This will be like the last of the vlog. So we made it to the cave. Now we're going in. I doubt you'll be able to see anything in there, but let's go. So it's not just hanging there. Yeah.
Never said anything else.
Finally going back out. Hey. Stand right there, Kyle. Yeah. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a pretty long vlog, but I made it fun. It was actually pretty enjoyable to vlog these past couple of days. So yeah, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.